You look beautiful. Oh, thank you. Dirty, hi. Hi. Ah, thank you, Rick. Thank you, Rick. Hi, boyfriend. Why a boyfriend? Thank you, Rick. Thank you for the gift. Kevin Reed. Kevin Reed. 8411. Nestor Omar Rodriguez. Hi. Um, Kevin Reed. Coco. Why love? Oh my god. Oh, thank you. Thank you po, Sir Dwayne. You're welcome. Gee, 72 people. Oh my god. I'm watching my own. Oh my gulay. Why did it have to end so sad? When you say that you would never 65 people here now. Thank you po. 45 likes. Hi. Thank you for the likes. Oh my god. Oh, bakit naman? Bakit pa kiss? Libre ba ang kiss? Can you back up so we can get your picture then? Okay, I can back up. Just send a super chat. Top. Ma'am, wala akong pakialam. Antonio. Palagayahin. I'm in a restaurant. I can't hear you. Ah, okay. You, 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 you did? You're having a date with someone? Rick? Why did it have to winter sun when you said that you would never leave me? 67 people in the house. No date, my brother. Ah, you with my brother. You with your brother. Say hi to your brother. Hi, Kevin Reed. 8411. Amar, give us a Cosinar Hoy. Cosinar Hoy. Mike and Venus. Good morning, Sir Mike and Venus. 48 people. Thank you for the likes. Gas. Galsipi. He said hello. Mama, ano paborito? Paborito ko ulam. Bicol Express. Gulay. Edward Faria. 75. 75 people.